You know, I love this detail. They remind you to inflate your tires. That's something I think a lot of people get excited and they pull the scooter out of the box and they go ride it. And always inflate your tires before you go ride. It's a great tip.
Okay.
Wow. These are cool looking fenders. It's kind of like a dirt bike fender. Okay, yeah, so it looks like tubed 10-inch 2-over tires with that sort of hybrid off-road. Cool. Just a ton of like really original and new stuff on here, which is, you know, not what I expected. A lot of times you just expect to see like a lot of the same old things, and it's like practically everything we're seeing, actually I think everything we're seeing is brand new here.
Yeah, and it's branded too. They got the new NR, the Nanrobot logo right here, and it's right here.
Yeah, it's got brakes I've never seen before, and there's a feature on here that I really like, and there's an adjuster right here. Sure, not everybody adjusts their brake levers, but sometimes I wear gloves and sometimes I don't. And when I wear gloves, I want a little extra space between my fingers and the grips. Here, the lever's moving kind of outward as I dial this in. Or if you want it closer, you go this way.
All right, Paul. Let's turn this bad boy on.
I got the key. Let's see what it's got. Oh, right. So we're pretty well charged at 54 volts right now, so that's nice. Let's peel some things. We'll cover to got the voltmeter right here showing 54 volts. That's a nice amount of voltage for battery health. You don't want to store them with fully charged or too discharged. That's about perfect. All right, let's look at the dash. Oh, color.
Ooh, color.
So this is kind of neat. I love it when they show you graphically, you know, what motors you're using. So we've got your single motor, and now we've got dual motor with the 2 wheels lit up. So that's kind of cool. And then we've got your modes 1, 2, and 3. How many have we got? Yeah, and it cycles back to 1. And then of course, as usual, if you hold both of them down, you're going to get into your we're going to get into your P settings. And then over here we get the light switches. There's a couple of them. This is for the headlight. Oh, that's kind of cool. The halo really throws some light too. Look at all that blue down here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The other switch, the red switch right here, this one does I think this does the swag lights. There we go. And so we got the big swag light up here. This is the only one that doesn't change color. This one's white all the time. And then the rest of them, we can use the remote to program it. And it does some cool things. They're kind of everywhere. They're along the side, little dots here and there. And they're even up in these front grills, which is kind of cool.
Paul's the man when it comes to these scooters.
Oh, and I love the turn signals. So here they've got a little warning, you know, not to step directly on top of the tail light. But look at that. This really nice brake light. As it gets louder, it stretches out to the sides. That's cool.
That's cool.